Safari. Our users love Safari for its speedy performance, power efficiency, and state-of-the-art privacy protections. And it delivers all of that while making it easy to get to your bookmarks, tabs, and browsing history across all of your devices. This year, we're building on Safari's amazing performance, elegant design, and pioneering privacy protections to deliver the biggest update to Safari since it was first introduced. As you know, Safari has long been the world's fastest desktop browser. This year, Safari's performance running JavaScript is better than ever and continues to significantly outpace all other major browsers. And now, when it comes to page loading, we're even faster there too. In fact, when loading frequently visited websites, Safari is now on average more than 50% faster than Chrome. And Safari delivers this amazing performance while continuing to deliver industry-leading battery life. And of course, Safari is continuing to build on its pioneering track record of protecting user privacy. Safari was the first browser to introduce private browsing, cookie blocking, and most recently, intelligent tracking prevention. This year, we want to give our users even more visibility into how each site they visit tries to track them and the ways that Safari protects them. So now users can click on the Privacy Report button in the toolbar when they visit a site to better understand how that site is treating their privacy. In addition to monitoring unwanted tracking, Safari now also securely monitors your saved passwords to ensure that they haven't been compromised in a data breach. Now, this is also a big year for extensions in Safari. We're adding support for the Web Extensions API so developers can easily bring over extensions that they built for other browsers. And we're building an all-new category in the Mac App Store to showcase Safari extensions so users can easily find them. Now, extensions are very powerful, but can introduce privacy challenges. In other browsers, extensions can access every page you visit, every tab you open, even everything you type. So we're doing even more here. In Safari, you choose which sites each extension can work with. And you can even give them access just for the day, just for the website, or all the time. But improved performance, power efficiency, and privacy protections are only the start. We have a whole slew of new features this year, from a customizable start page to redesigned tabs that are more elegant and powerful, and native translation capabilities built right into Safari. To tell you more, I'll hand it off to Beth Dakin.
Thanks, Craig. I'm so excited to give you a tour of the brand new Safari. When you open Safari, right away, you'll notice the new look. It's clean and fresh. I want to show you one of my favorite new features, the customizable start page. I love it because I can make it my own. It's easy to get to the customization controls here in the bottom corner. We think a lot of people are going to want to set a background image. And there's a beautiful gallery of curated wallpapers to choose from. You can use one of your own photos too, and I know I want a photo of my son. I have a few really cute ones here in the downloads. I can just drag and drop to set it. That is so perfect. You can add new sections to the start page too. Let's add iCloud tabs and reading list. Let's take a look. There, this is perfect. I use reading list all the time and now it's so easy to get to. Another way that you can dial in Safari to suit your specific needs is with extensions. I can't wait for you developers to bring your web extensions to Safari. I've gone ahead and downloaded a few web extensions to take a peek. So let's go here to the Safari preferences to enable them. And I'll enable Power Thesaurus and Recipe Filter. So each of the extensions that I just enabled now has its own button here in the toolbar. Let me show you Recipe Filter. I love this one. So this extension will search the web page for a recipe, and if it finds one, it will pop it up in a little card. It's been a great accelerator for me when I'm building a grocery list. So the extension hasn't done anything yet because I haven't granted permission. So let me click on the toolbar button, and I'm going to allow this extension for one day, and when I click here, it'll do its thing. So here we go. And there it is. So useful. Okay, so I have my personality pretty thoroughly stamped over Safari at this point. And you know, I use Safari for a lot of personal things, and Apple makes sure my private life stays private. Privacy is essential to everything we do at Apple, and it's critical on the web. And now you can see what Safari is doing to protect you. If I click on the Intelligent Tracking Prevention button, I can see the number of known trackers that Safari protected me from on this web page. I can click here to see a list of the known trackers right here in this popover. And the full privacy report is just one click away. And that's what we have for privacy in the new Safari. Next, I'd like to talk about tabs. If you love tabs, you're going to love the new Safari. It's easier and more efficient than ever to work with lots of tabs. So I have another window here, and right away you'll notice that there are icons and tabs, which makes it so easy to spot what you're looking for. And if I open more tabs, then you'll see more of them at once because the tabs get smaller and use the space more efficiently. If it's a little hard to find what you're looking for with this many tabs, that's no problem. You can just hover over tabs and see a nice preview of the page. I'm ready to clean up now, and that's easy too. I can just bring up the context menu here and close all tabs to the right, just like that. We are so excited that the new Safari has built-in translation. Let me show you. So here on this website on El Mundo, Safari has detected that this is not my primary language, and it's added the translation icon to the Smart Search field. I can click here, and let's translate this page to English. It'll happen in line, and as more content is added, that gets translated dynamically too. Those are some highlights, but there is so much more to the new Safari. Back to you, Craig.